Hello everyone, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, and today I'm going to be talking about a very useful trick when you're using YouTube. And this is basically making YouTube easier to understand. So here we have a YouTube video. It's full screen in my laptop, and I'm going to press play to play it.
Today I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly group all your contacts in LinkedIn.
Now this is one of the videos that one of my authors recorded a few years ago.
But also to send them more relevant messages.
And she's talking about kind of a technical topic. It's about LinkedIn and how to use it. And maybe if you needed a little bit of extra help to understand what the person is talking about, you could actually add closed captions. And you might have seen this on TV before. Like if you go to a bar, sometimes it will have a television playing and it will have the captions going below it. But YouTube actually automatically enables a feature to play closed captions on the video, and it's pretty easy to activate. Just look for the CC button, Subtitles Closed Captions, and click it. And you can see already that some captions have appeared at the bottom. Even though I'm not playing it, it just kind of starts the captions where the action is taking place. But if I play the video, you'll see that they'll appear.
To them instead of to your whole group. So to do that, you're going to log into LinkedIn and go to Network, and then Contacts. And if you've been using LinkedIn at least for a little bit of time, you probably have a bunch of contacts.
So right away, you can see how useful this can be. If you're having trouble understanding the person who's talking, or maybe the volume on the recording is not loud enough, you can use these closed captions to actually get more information. And what I've also seen people doing is people who aren't the native speaker of the language of the video, they'll use closed captions to help them understand what the video is talking about. Now, there's one thing to note. There's extra options you can activate as well, which is really cool. So to do the extra options for the closed captions, click on the icon that's looks like a gear. It's a settings icon. Click it once, and you'll see there's an option that says Subtitles CC, which stands for closed captions, and click on that. So right now, it's doing English auto-generated. That means Google's or YouTube's computers are automatically listening to the audio of the video and then putting the words, the closed captions below it. You can turn it off here, so now they won't be on. It's the same thing as clicking on the CC icon, the closed captions icon. But we want to have those on, and then we want to check out some of the other options too. So click on the, go to Settings, Subtitles CC, click on that, and then click on the Options link at the top here. And you can see you can change the font family. So right now, if I think that these fonts, let's say the closed captions, I think they're too big. Maybe it's getting in the way of what's on the screen. I can change the size. So the font size right now is 100%. I can change that to 50%. See how small they got right here? So that's taking up less real estate on the video, so you can see what's going on. You can also make them giant. Let's say that you have some issues with your eyes, or maybe you're looking at the screen from across the room. You can make them really big.
So from different areas of your life. For example, people that you knew in college, from former jobs.
So the issue with this, of course, now is that they're just too big. So let's make that small again. Click on Options, Font Size, switch it back to 100%, which just means the normal size. And then there's other things you can do too. Background opacity. This means that the background of those letters down there, you can kind of see through it. You can't see it too clearly right now, but there's like a word back there. If you want to make that not as thick, that background shading, you can change it to 25%. But the problem with that is then the words kind of wash out if the background, if the video itself is the same color as the text. But the other thing you can do is you can change the font color. So right now it's white. I can change the font color to blue or black. Okay? So to get more information on how to get the most out of technology, we have a whole series of guides available at in30minutes.com, including Dropbox in 30 minutes, Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes, etc. And I hope to see you soon at the website, or to check out my video channel to watch more of the helpful videos that we have there. Thanks so much for watching.